Perceived academic workload and its impact on burnout among architecture students. Student burnout can be defined as a state of emotional exhaustion that students experience in the learning process due to psychological pressure, academic workload, or other psychological factors, as well as a tendency towards personality breakdown and a feeling of decreased personal achievement. In architecture education, students may face different challenges related to workloads, practical training, and concerns about stress-induced fatigue. The research aims to study the relationship between academic workload and its role in student stress, fatigue, and burnout. A survey was conducted with 63 fourth-year students in the Department of Architecture at the College of Engineering at Al-Mustansiriya University. An academic workload scale was constructed based on previous studies, along with a modified burnout scale according to the nature of the architecture department. The research presents a discussion of the academic workload as an important factor that affects students and how they perceive the nature of the curriculum and cope with the psychological pressures generated from it in architectural education. It also defines burnout in architectural education. The data was statistically analyzed using partial least squares structural equation modeling with the SMART PLS4 program and statistical analysis using SPSS V.28 for the study variables. The research confirms the complex nature of the concept of academic workload and highlights the need to distinguish between perceived quantitative, actual time investment and curriculum design, and qualitative, teaching style, learning environment and personal traits, workload and their impact on students' burnout. The results identified the dimensions of academic workload that affected the levels of fatigue among architecture students. It showed that all dimensions of academic workload influence burnout, with teaching methods and learning environment having the most impact on burnout, followed by course management and personal characteristics ranking last. The study recommends that the Department of Architecture periodically review students' academic workload, psychological well-being, and introduce effective curriculum design to minimize burnout and enhance their learning outcomes. Burnout is a state of mental and emotional exhaustion that can affect anyone working or studying intensely, especially in demanding environments. In students, burnout shows up as tiredness, loss of motivation, and a sense of not achieving anything meaningful. This is a growing problem in universities where academic demands are high. Architecture students, in particular, face a heavy workload because their education includes a wide range of subjects, from design and technology to culture and social sciences. They are expected to be creative, technically skilled, and socially aware, all at once. This research looks into how academic workload affects students' feelings of burnout, especially their emotional exhaustion. The study focuses on architecture students, who often deal with a mix of intense design work and theoretical learning. It explores whether there is a meaningful link between the amount and type of academic work students face and their experience of burnout. To better understand this, the research tests three specific ideas. First, whether how lessons are managed affects burnout. Second, whether a student's personal traits influence how burned out they feel. And third, whether the teaching style and learning environment play a role. By identifying these relationships, the study hopes to highlight which areas of academic life most contribute to student burnout. The goal is to help improve the educational experience and reduce burnout by addressing these key stress factors. This research shows that academic burnout in architecture students is closely linked to how they experience and handle their workload. It highlights the importance of understanding both the amount of work students have, quantitative, and the type of work they do, qualitative. The study found that poor lesson management can lead to higher levels of burnout, especially when students struggle with time management and feel overwhelmed by expectations. Personal traits and reactions to the learning environment also play a role, though to a lesser extent. The learning environment and teaching style were found to be the biggest contributors to feelings of stress, boredom, and disengagement, particularly when students couldn't connect with the way lessons were taught. Overall, the study reveals that academic burnout is influenced by several factors, with the teaching style and learning environment having the strongest impact, followed by lesson management and individual student characteristics. This important article is authored by the following scientists. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel BP International to watch more videos in the fields of science, technology and medicine.